of PRO 11, and he is now the current CIDG Director. Let me give high respect to the President of the CIA Bayanihan, Sir Efren Rambo Rapanan Sr., sir. To my colleague here, Lieutenant Colonel Damaso of the QCPD. To all the officers and men of
CIDG, as we present a small token of gratitude for our Police Major General Nicolas Torre III, our new Director for CIDG.
And for the award, friends, ladies and gentlemen, CIA Bayanihan Citizens Information Assistance, Narsan Building, Westport Street, West Triangle, Quezon City. Awards of recognition, in recognition of your exemplary service and unwavering dedication to maintaining peace and order. This award is proudly presented to you for your excellent and satisfactory accomplishment in executing warrant for wanted persons. Your outstanding leadership, commitment to duty and skillful execution of these critical operations reflect the highest standard of public service and have significantly contributed to the safety and security of our community. Your effort inspired confidence and trust in law enforcement. Awarded during the occasions of CIA Bayanihan National Annual Convention, this 29th of September 2024, Philippine International Convention Center, PICC, Pasay City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Signed, Honorable Efren A. Rapanan Sr., President and Founder. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, award of recognition is hereby awarded to Police Major General Nicolas Torre III.
Before our general or the alternative or substitute representative of General Torre, bakit natin iniwardan si General Torre? General Torre, when he's still the Quezon City Police Director, has been very supportive with the CIA before he is assigned to PRO 11. And he deserves this award because of the support to CIA. Kaya palakpakan natin si Major General Torre, the new chief of the CIDG ng PNP Camp Crame, as represented by Colonel Bermudez. Pero bago ka uwi, sir, I have a surprise for you. Huwag ka munang uwi. Itago muna kita sa likod. May mga NPA surrenderies ngayon. Palakpak naman po. I will not present muna. I would just let our intelligence chief of the CIDG, Andre General Torre, na i-interrogate niya ngayon. Hindi ko muna sasabihin kung ilan sila and more to come dahil trust na trust nila ang CIA Bayanihan. Napakarami po galing sa Northern Samar at ang susunod galing po sa Mindanao. This is through the effort of our leaders dyan sa Northern.
President for Mindanao, ARCA, for all the attendees ng CIA Bayanihan, from the National Executive Officers to the coordinators, regional directors and officers. Napakalaki na ng ating grupo. Maraming salamat sa inyong pag-imbita sa akin. Alam natin na yung KBL ay yung partido ng aking ama na halos hindi na natitira pero
Thank you.
sa iyo